Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I wanted to talk about something called fit range that I've used in week 1, and we're going to be using it a lot here as well. So a good example for the fit range is when you have your mice and you're moving the cursor of the screen, you're moving your hand just a small range, but it's going from the lowest corner all the way up in just a small move. And what's happening is there is a remapping that takes that distance and remaps it to match the screen, so that the small change will result in moving the cursor this much. And we can do the same thing as well. We can do the inverse of that. We can have a big range and remap it into something smaller. So let's take a look at how this works in Houdini. So I'm going to have this aligned along the z-axis, and I have these points that goes from 0 to 60. I have 60 points to 59, and right now the length of this is 1. So you can see the z value goes from 0 to 1. And if I wanted to take this value, so I'm going to take a vector to float, which splits the vector into its 3 floats so I can access them, and I can create a ramp, and let's connect this to the color, and you can see now it's black and white, black being the 0 and 1 being the top. And let's set this to have 3 different colors so we can see them better. So red, green, and blue. Pardon me. Cool, so we have this gradient, but it's working because the z value goes from 0 to 1. What if we change this to 10? It's not working anymore. It's only working here because that's what 0 to 1 is, and then everything else is getting the lowest value, the highest value, which is blue in this case. So we need to remap this. We need to remap the z position that goes now from 0 to 10. We need to remap it to 0 and 1 so we can use it with this ramp. Okay, so I'm going to put down a fit range, and what is my input range? It's 0 to 10, and I want that to go from 0 to 1. And if we look now, you can see the ramp, this value is working properly. And so that's what the fit range is doing. And yeah, hope you guys like it, and see you in the next video.